Ghana robbed. Ghana robbed a penalty in this game. They were robbed. Also, Bellingham covered his mouth speaking to someone. He has to walk. You VAR, what are you doing? You reviewed Almiron's one. Why is Bellingham not walking? He spoke like this. What are these highlights I'm seeing right here? Ghana robbed. Okay, yes, England had a few chances which they could not take. Even Harry Kane had a late chance. After O'Reilly hit the post in 80-something minutes. Harry Kane skies it from that. But Ghana robbed. Because Ghana, imagine Ghana get the 3 point, they score their penalty. Ghana through. Now Ghana still go to the last game and fight. You never know what goes on. No. Ghana robbed. But well done to Ghana as well for performing. The defensive performance was outstanding. Because you've got obviously England, very strong team. Very attacking team. And we know this danger man, they Kane, Saka, Madueke, I don't know so much danger man. But anyways, Ghana robbed, man. Ghana robbed.